Hi children, welcome to VIN Sushmita here. Today you are going to learn GK chapter 4, some important machines. See, pictures of some modern machines with their uses are given below. Under each picture write the name of the machine or appliance. What they have given here? Here they have given some image and the uses of it. We should write the name of that machine. Okay. See children. Yes, now we will see. It is a kind of aerial instrument. It transmits or receives radio signals. See children, what they have given here. It is a kind of aerial structure. It is transmitted or receive radio signals. In your homes and all, for your signals and all, they will be given some children in cable offices, in radio offices and all, you will see. No, what is this? Dish antenna. DISH, dish. ANTENNA, dish antenna. Okay. Next, it is used to put out fire by spraying water, chemicals or foam on a burning substances. See, it is used to put out the fire by spraying water, chemicals or foam on the burning substances. What it is this children? This is fire extinguisher. Fire, EXTINGUISHER, fire extinguisher. Okay. Next, see children here. It emits bright yellow light and is used to light car parks and roads. This is having a bright yellow color, it seems children. It is used to light the car parks and roads. What is this? Sodium vapor lamp. What is this? Sodium, SODIUM, sodium. VAPOUR, vapor. LIGHT, light. Sodium vapor light. It is used to generate electric current. It is used to generate electric current. What is this? Generator. GENERATOR, generator. Yes, Nancy. It gives warning of intruders in the building. It gives warning of intruders in the building. What is this children? Burglar alarm. See, BURGLAR, burglar, ALARM, alarm. Okay. Next, it is used for making large holes and trenches in the ground. It is used for making large holes and trenches in the ground. What is this? Digger. DIGGER, digger. Okay. Next, it produces very hot flame which is used to weld pieces of metal together. It produces very hot flame which is used to weld pieces of metal together. What is this? Welding torch. WELDING, welding. TORCH, torch, welding torch. It is used for carrying persons up or down the floor of a building. It is used for carrying person up or down the floor of the building. What is this? Lift, LIFT, lift. It is also called as elevator. ELEVATOR, elevator. Okay. Next, it is used to make mortar or concrete by mixing together cement, sand and metals. It is used to make mortar or concrete by mixing together cement, sand and metal. What is this? What is this children? Concrete mixer. What is this? Concrete mixer. CONCRETE, concrete. mixer, mixer. Next, we'll see it is used to weight items of grocery. It is used to weigh items of grocery. What is this? Weighing machine. WEIGHING, weighing. MACHINE, machine, weighing machine. Yes, children. Now we'll see it is used to study object in space. It is used to study objects in space. What is this? Radio telescope. RADIO, radio. TELESCOPE, radio telescope. Okay, next. It helps to forecast weather condition by dispatching pictures of cloud formation. It helps to forecast weather condition by dispatching pictures of cloud formation. What is this, children? Weather satellite. Weather satellite. WEATHER, weather. SATELLITE, satellite, weather satellite. Next, it is used to scan a document and send electric signals to the receiving machine, which produces a copy of the document. It is used to scan a document and send electric signal to the receiving machine, which produces a copy of the document. Fax, FAX, fax. Okay. Next, it is a portable two-way radio set used by police and other emergency services. What is this? Walkie-talkie. Okay. WALKIE, walkie. TALKIE, talkie. Walkie-talkie. Okay. Now, see children, what they have given here. Test yourself. You should test yourself. Okay. See. Select the answer from the given words in the hand. They have given here the answers. Okay. You should select from here. Okay, children. See. Dash is used to produce electric current. Dash is used to produce electric current. Generator. 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 Dash gives warning of intruders. Dash gives warning of intruders. Burglar alarm. Yes. BURGLAR, burglar. ALRAM, alarm. Next. Dash is used to weld pieces of metal together. Dash is used to weld pieces of metal together. Welding torch. WELDING, welding. TORCH, torch. Next. Dash is used to study objects in space. Dash is used to study objects in space. Radio. RADIO, radio. TELESCOPE, scope, telescope. Dash is used to scan a document and transfer the information to another receiving machine, which produces a copy. Fax. FAX, fax. Dash is used to light roads. Dash is used to light roads. Sodium vapor light. Sodium vapor light. Dash is used for making large hole in the ground. Dash is used to make large holes in the ground. Digger. DIGGER, digger. Dash is used to weigh items of grocery. Dash is used to weigh items of grocery. Weighing scale. WEIGHING, weighing. A machine. MACHINE, machine. Okay. Next, dash is used to make concrete by mixing cement, sand and metal. It's concrete mixer. Okay. CONCRETE, concrete. MIXER, mixer. Next, children, see, match the following match suitably. Okay. Dish antenna, weather satellite, lift, fire extinguisher, walkie-talkie. Spraying chemicals to put out fire. It used for carrying person up or down the floor of the building. A portable device used by police or in emergency. Dispatches pictures of cloud formation. Transmit or receives radio signal. Yes, now dish antenna. What it will do, children? Dish antenna transmits or receives radio signal, right? Transmits or receives radio signal. First one is E. Weather satellite. What weather satellite will do, children? Dispatches picture of cloud formation. Dispatches picture of cloud formation. D. Lift. What the lift will do, children? It is used for carrying person up or down the floor of a building. Next, fire extinguisher. Spraying chemical to put out fire. Next, walkie-talkie. A portable device used by police or in emergency. Okay, see, first one it's E, second one it's D, third one it's B, fourth one it's A, and fifth one it's C. Okay.